Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to send an invoice on eBay. Alright, so let's begin. First, hover your mouse over My eBay on the top right corner of the eBay homepage. From the drop-down menu, click on Purchase History. This section will display a list of your recent purchases. You can filter your purchases to show items bought in the last 60 days or by year. For this example, we will select the watch that was recently purchased. Find the item in the list for which you need the invoice and click on View Order Details next to it. This action will take you to a page with detailed information about the purchase, including order specifics, shipping details, and payment information. On the Order Details page, look for the Printer Friendly Page button and click on it. This will open a simplified version of your order details that is formatted for printing. To print or save this page, you can either click on the browser's print option or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+P if you're using Google Chrome. This will open the print dialog box. In the print dialog, you'll see various options for printing. If you want to save the invoice as a PDF instead of printing it, go to the Destination drop-down menu and select Save as PDF. Click on Save, then choose a folder on your computer where you want to store the PDF. Give the file a name that will help you identify it later, and click Save again to store the document. Navigate to the folder where you saved the PDF and open it to ensure the invoice is correctly saved. You can now share this PDF file through various methods such as email, Skype, Facebook, WhatsApp, or other communication platforms. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.